So I've been experimenting with those AI music tools, you know, where you type in a few words and it actually creates a song for you. And honestly, some of them turned out pretty good. But then I started wondering, what if I could turn one of these into an actual music video, like with visuals and everything? Turns out, there's an AI that does exactly that, with one click. So in this video, I'm walking you through Freebeat AI and showing you exactly how it works. By the end, you'll know how to drop any song into this platform and walk away with a professional music video in minutes. Let's start with what makes Freebeat different from everything else out there. What is Freebeat AI? Alright, so what exactly is Freebeat? Here's the simplest way to think about it. Imagine you hired a creative director, a storyboard artist, and a video editor. But instead of paying thousands and waiting weeks, you just describe your vision in one sentence and the AI handles everything else. Freebeat isn't another generic video generator with music slapped on top. This is built specifically around music. The AI analyzes your track, the tempo, the mood, the rhythm, even lyrical themes, and creates visuals that sync perfectly to those elements. When your beat drops, the visuals respond. When the song gets emotional, the scenes shift to match. And here's what really caught my attention. This platform already has over 100,000 users and a 4.9-star rating for ease of use. You can feed it songs from basically anywhere: Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, TikTok, or AI-generated tracks from Suno and Udio. Just paste the link and you're ready to go. But wait until you see what the AI can actually do. That's where things get interesting. Features. Before I jump into the demo, let me break down the features that actually matter here. The core of Freebeat is what they call an AI creative agent. This isn't just applying random filters or stock footage. The AI thinks like a director. It plans shot sequences, handles pacing, and makes creative decisions based on your input. You give it a prompt like "dreamy neon city at night, Blade Runner vibes," and it maps out a complete visual story that matches your music. And you're not limited to one style. Freebeat can create traditional music videos with fast cinematic cuts, lyric videos with animated text synced to the beat, or dance videos with AI-generated choreography. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, you've got options. The beat synchronization is what really separates this from generic AI video tools. The system analyzes tempo, rhythm, and emotional intensity, then times the visual cuts to match. Quiet verses get slower, dreamier shots. Hard-hitting drops get rapid-fire edits. This is what makes the video feel intentional instead of random. And there's literally zero learning curve. If you can type a sentence, you can make a video. No timeline editing, no complex software. Now let me actually show you how this works. Live demo. Alright, let's make a music video together. I'm walking you through every step so you can do this yourself right after watching. Head to freebeat.ai and click Make Free Videos. Create an account if you haven't. Takes about 30 seconds. Once you're in, you'll see a box where you can either paste a link from Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, wherever your track lives, or upload an MP3 directly. I'm pasting a YouTube link for this demo. Now a simple waveform appears showing your full track. Here's an important tip. You want to select the most impactful 15 to 30 seconds of your song. Usually that's the chorus or a big drop, something with energy. Drag to highlight that section and confirm. Next, Freebeat asks what kind of video you want: music video, dance video, or lyric video. I'm going with music video, but keep the other options in mind if you want choreographed dancing or animated lyrics. Now comes the fun part, your creative prompt. A text box pops up where you describe your vision. And this is where being specific pays off massively. Instead of saying "cool city," I'm typing "a dreamy neon cityscape at night with stylish slow-motion shots and glowing lights. Cyberpunk aesthetic with deep blues and purples." You can also set your aspect ratio here. 9:16 for TikTok, 16.9 for YouTube. Hit generate and let the AI work. Freebeat analyzes your song structure, plans out scenes, and renders clips that match your prompt. Depending on your plan, this takes a couple minutes to a bit longer on free tier. Once it's ready, watch it through. And here's a tip most people miss. If any scene doesn't hit the mark, you don't have to regenerate the whole video. Click on that specific clip, tweak your prompt, and regenerate just that section. This saves credits and lets you perfect each moment. When you're happy, download your finished MP4 and upload it wherever you want. That's the entire process. No editing software, no technical skills. If you want to try Freebeat for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below so you can get started right away. Tips for better results. Now let me share the tips that separate okay results from genuinely impressive ones. Be vivid and specific with your prompts. Generic prompts give generic results. Instead of car scene, try a vintage red convertible driving along a coastal highway at golden hour with warm cinematic lighting. The more detail you give, the more the AI has to work with. Match your prompt's mood to your song. If your track is melancholy and introspective, don't describe bright party scenes. The AI creates what you ask for, but it won't feel cohesive with the music. Sad song? Go moody and atmospheric. Upbeat track? Bring the energy. Don't settle on the first generation. The regenerate feature exists for a reason. Identify clips that feel weak, adjust your prompt, and run them again. Spending a few extra credits to polish specific scenes is always worth it. And experiment with different video types. Try the same segment as a music video and a lyric video. Sometimes a different format captures the vibe better than you expected. These tips alone will take your videos from pretty good for AI to, wait, this is actually impressive. So does Freebeat actually deliver real-world results? Indie musicians are using this to promote tracks, and some are reporting serious growth. One creator mentioned his Spotify streams tripled after posting a Freebeat video on TikTok. That's the kind of impact we're talking about when you combine good music with visually compelling content. For pricing, Freebeat has a free tier with 500 credits for up to 30-second videos. Paid plans start around $5 a week for more credits, HD resolution, and longer videos up to 6 minutes. The Pro plan runs about $25 a month with 10,000 credits. Start free and see if the workflow clicks for you. Here's the bottom line. If you're making music but struggling to create video content, Freebeat just removed that barrier. One song, one prompt, one click, and you've got a beat-synced music video ready to share. Drop a comment letting me know what kind of video you're planning to create. And if you want more AI tool breakdowns like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Go make something amazing. I'll see you in the next video.